Ladies and gentlemen, you will absolutely love this home. I had the same impression immediately I walked into this place. Now, when you enter into this amazing home, you're welcome with this beautiful landscape over here. You have really sizable parking space that can take more than 4 cars. We have 4 bedroom, fully detached unit here. We have 3 units with an option for pool and without pool. Now, before we take a quick tour into this home, if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think about this beautiful edifice that I'm currently standing on. With that said, let's check it out. Welcome home. Okay, so this is the ambience of this beautiful estate. Clearly, as you can see, the ambience is given. I mean, perfect family home. We have 3 units here. So that one at the ending is the one that has a pool, but I'm actually touring this. So when you come in, you have this beautiful landscape here with trees, and you have this beautiful spacious parking space rather. You have this spacious parking space, and just like I said, it can take more than 4 cars, right? More than 4 cars. And you also have, this greenery over here, and it's all over the house. It's there, it's behind the house. Okay, so let's take a quick tour on the exterior of the house just before we go right inside. So this is the walkway, and clearly you see that it is spacious, right? I'm not struggling to pass here. Anybody can pass here comfortably. Okay, so at the end here, you have this space over here. Have this space over here, and I'm happy that this developer, gave option of pool and without pool, right? If you are not into, the pool thing, you can actually just set up something here for you and your family to just have a relaxation anytime you want. So this is what it looks like. Then when we now come over here, you have your boys' quarters. I don't know. Oh, it's locked. But there is a boys' quarters here. Then you also have this walkway, right? So let's go right inside and let's see what the inside looks like. Now from this video, you will see that the finishing is beautiful, right? The finishing, it's beautiful. So let's go inside. Okay, so I didn't show you this glass window here that flows just from the top to down, which makes here, enough natural lighting and all. So you have this door here, and of course comes with a biometric. So by my right, you have one room downstairs. So it's a 4 bedroom. We have 3 rooms upstairs. So this is the room here. This is the room here. And of course, high ceilings that encourages proper ventilation. Currently, as I am in this place, it's so cool. It's not hot, even with the hot weather, and there is no AC, nothing. But it just has this really, really cool ambience. So you have this curtain that is already here for you. Spacious room downstairs. So let's go right inside the primary living area. So this is the primary living area. Beautiful home design, if you ask me. This is not like the regular design that we see in Lagos. So you have your TV console down there. You have that lightning with a bit of it dropping down. And you have this spiral staircase here that is actually censored. See the lights just going up and all of that. So let me know what you think. This unit is going for 290 million. The one with pool is going for 300 million. So let me know what you think about this unit. So I'm going to take you like on a 360 before we go right into the kitchen. Okay, so this is what we have here. This is what we have here. So I'm going this way again, just for you to see properly. Okay, so this door right here is the visitors' restroom. So this is what we have here for the visitors' restroom, just underneath the staircase. And over here, you have your glass door that ushers you straight to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. You have your island just in between, and you still have space here to move around. Just here, you have your 5 burner cooker, you have your heat extractor, you have your oven, you have your space for your double door fridge, right? You have other compartments to store your items. Okay, so just by my left here, you have your storage area, and of course, this door here leads you to where you can just relax with your family. Okay, so with that said, let's go upstairs and let's see what they have upstairs. I absolutely love the spiral staircase. I don't think I've seen this in a while. I think this is the second time I'm touring a home and I am seeing a spiral staircase. Okay, so let me know what you think. So far, so good of this home. I love that there are windows everywhere. I mean, there are windows everywhere, natural lighting. So when you come upstairs, you have your family lounge over here, and the family lounge has a balcony. So let's see the balcony. It has a balcony, and you can see your environment here. You can see your environment here. So let's take a look at the other rooms before we go see the masters. So you have this room here. You have this room here. And it comes en suite. Go to the other room just across this one. So this is the other room. You have your closet down there. Let me go this way. So this is what the size of the room looks like. Have your ensuite bathroom over here. So let's take a look at the masters. So this is the masters. Let me go this way. Of course, there is always an extra attention to the masters. Clearly see that it is spacious. Okay. So you have your closet right here. Have your closet right here. You have your bathroom here. Your walk-in shower is right here. You have your bathtub over there, and you still have like space here to play around with. Okay, so just by the closet, you have your balcony just right here, and this is what this place looks like. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what we currently have here in Ajah. This property is located in Ajah, Lagos, Nigeria. It's a 4 bedroom, going for 290 million. Going for 290 million. So let me know what you think of this project. Um, every other detail you need will be in the description alongside my phone number. So if this looks like what you want to call home in 2026, you already know who to call, okay? So call the number in the description or in the comment section and let's get you home. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.